Hey guys, let us know how to create a trust wallet. Go to your Apple Store or Play Store and search for trust wallet and click it and click on install. After it's been installed, click on open. Here you will pop up with create a new wallet and I already have a wallet. If you already have a wallet, click on I already have a wallet. If you have wallets like MetaMask, you can also use the MetaMask seed recovery phase. If you are creating a new wallet, click on creating new wallet and agree to the terms. You will be given a 12-letter seed phrase. Don't share this with anyone or you might lose your crypto in there. Then click on OK. Then you're done. Then in this way you can create a new wallet. You can enable the notifications and you can see we have created a new multi-coin wallet. You can copy the receiving BSC address into your Binance account or other crypto exchange account to withdraw some BNB to your private wallet. To use the pancakeswap, go to the D apps and click on pancakeswap. Click on here, you can see then you can change various networks, but pancakeswap is only used in on BSC. Click on connect wallet. Here you can connect with various wallets and select it and connect with the multi-chain BSC wallet. If you have BNB to buy cake token is pancakeswap's native token. Here you can see the settings option. You can use night mode or the giveaway fee and slippage tolerance. Also you can adjust. At the highest slippage, the faster the transaction goes. If you go down here, you can select various tokens. I'm selecting BUSD. After you selected the specific token, go to swap and confirm the swap and approve. You will be there is a 30 cent transaction fee, and if you're using it for the first time, you have to enable it first.